And to end our news bulletin, yesterday afternoon the Melbourne Cup fever went into full gear as men and women around the island congregated to bars where betting on a horse was the main purpose. However, the usual venues that host the Melbourne Cup Hat Parade was swinging, with some patrons literally swimming. The afternoon torrential rain did not dampen the competitive edge of the entries, as old and young alike braved lakes of water to take part in the competition. Winners, of course, were jubilant, but some who did not quite make it vowed they will do better next year. Of course, the winners of the horse race went to number 8, number 24, and number 3. Ahia ni haru tola tau wala tala tutupu, ke la taia moi afiafi nei no nofua moi mawhala. That's our news bulletin for tonight. Good evening.